So this is day 2 of the allotment. It's very quiet, there's only about 4 or 5 people in. So what have I done today? So I've moved all those raised beds that were over there. Moved them all to here. Found out my borderline, which is obviously important to plan. Measured my epic shed. Cleared this area here. Loads of bags there for rubbish, so whether someone's going to have to get rid of myself. And then mapped out this border bit here. But yeah, didn't spend long today, only about an hour. Can't spend your life down here, that's one important thing. But still, that's an hour's more work than not doing an hour's work. So yeah, so good progress today. Right, next update will be maybe in the week, possibly next weekend. I'm back at work next week.